Let's solve this step by step, finding the inverse cosine of sine of 5 pi over 4. First, let's understand what this means. We need to evaluate sine of 5 pi over 4, and then find the angle whose cosine equals that value. Let's start by visualizing 5 pi over 4 on the unit circle. Remember, 5 pi over 4 is in the third quadrant. This angle is equal to 315 degrees, or 5 pi over 4 radians. At this angle, let's find the sine value by looking at the y-coordinate. The sine of 5 pi over 4 is the y-coordinate of this point. We can calculate this. Sine of 5 pi over 4 equals negative square root of 2 over 2, or approximately negative 0.707. Now, before we find the inverse cosine of this value, let's recall an important fact. The range of inverse cosine is from 0 to pi radians, or 0 to 180 degrees. So, we're looking for an angle between 0 and pi whose cosine equals negative square root of 2 over 2. Let's visualize this on a new unit circle. We're looking for a point where the x-coordinate is negative square root of 2 over 2. This occurs at 3 pi over 4 radians, or 135 degrees. Therefore, the inverse cosine of sine of 5 pi over 4 equals 3 pi over 4 radians. Remember, when working with inverse trigonometric functions, it's crucial to consider their ranges. The inverse cosine function always gives us an angle between 0 and pi radians.